Ping working but internet not opening? Gateway reachable but users still complaining? Don't worry, today you'll learn how real network engineers troubleshoot Cisco networks step by step. Welcome to BMS Tech Idea. In real networks, problems don't come with warning messages. Users only say, "Internet is not working." So how does a network engineer actually find the issue? In this video, you will learn the most important Cisco troubleshooting commands used in real production networks. We will check connectivity, routing, interfaces, VLANs, and configuration step by step exactly how engineers troubleshoot in real life. If you are preparing for CCNA, working in networking, or learning Cisco from scratch, this video will make your troubleshooting skills strong and practical. Let's start the troubleshooting journey. Now let's understand some very important troubleshooting commands in Cisco devices. First command, ping. Ping is used to test basic network connectivity between devices. You can ping a host name or an IP address. You can also specify a source address to verify connectivity from a particular interface. If ping fails, the issue is usually layer 3 routing, gateway, or network reachability. Next, speed command. This command is used inside interface configuration mode. It manually sets the interface speed to 10, 100, or 1000 megabits per second, or allows automatic negotiation. Speed mismatch between two devices often causes packet drops and unstable connections. Now, duplex command. Duplex defines how data flows on the link. Half duplex allows transmission in one direction at a time, while full duplex allows simultaneous transmission. If one side is full and the other side is half, the network will experience collisions and very slow performance. Now let's talk about CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol. The command CDP run enables CDP globally on the device. The command no CDP run disables it. CDP helps identify directly connected Cisco neighbors and is extremely useful for troubleshooting cabling and connectivity problems. Now let's verify the network using show commands. First, show MAC address table. This command displays the MAC address table learned by the switch. It tells you which device is connected to which switch port. If a device cannot communicate inside the LAN, this is the first command you should check. No MAC entry usually means VLAN mismatch, wrong port, or cabling problem. Next, show CDP. This command verifies whether Cisco Discovery Protocol is enabled globally on the device. If CDP is disabled, the device will not discover directly connected Cisco neighbors. Now, show CDP neighbors. This command lists all directly connected Cisco devices along with their interface and platform information. You can also use the detail option, show CDP neighbors detail. This provides complete information such as IP address, device model, software version, and connected port. This command is extremely useful when tracing cables or identifying unknown network devices. Now let's verify interface information on the switch. First, show interfaces. This command displays complete details about an interface, including status, speed, duplex, errors, and traffic counters. If users report slow network or packet drops, this is the most important command to check CRC errors, collisions, and input or output drops. Next, show interface status. This gives a quick summary of all ports in a simple table format. You can instantly see which ports are connected, disconnected, disabled, or running at the wrong speed. This command is very useful for quickly identifying down ports in large switches. Now, show interfaces switch port. This command displays layer 2 configuration of a port. It shows access VLAN, trunk mode, native VLAN, and allowed VLAN information. Whenever a PC cannot access the network or VLAN communication fails, this is the command you should verify. Finally, show interfaces trunk. This command lists all active trunk links and the VLANs allowed on those trunks. If inter-VLAN routing or communication between switches is not working, always verify trunk VLANs using this command. Now let's verify VLAN confirmation commands. First, show VLAN. This command displays all VLANs configured on the switch along with the ports assigned to each VLAN. It helps you confirm whether a device is placed in the correct VLAN. Next, show VLAN brief. This gives a cleaner and shorter output compared to the full command. It quickly shows VLAN IDs, names, and access ports. Remember, this command only shows access ports and does not display trunk links. If a PC cannot reach devices in the same network, always verify VLAN assignment using this command. Now, show VTP status. This command displays the current VTP configuration of the switch. It shows the VTP mode, domain name, configuration revision number, and whether VLAN updates are being received. This is very important when VLANs are not propagating between switches. So today we learned how to troubleshoot a Cisco network step by step using real engineer commands. From connectivity testing, to interface problems, to VLAN and neighbor discovery. Now you don't just know commands. You know the troubleshooting logic behind them. If this video helped you understand networking better, make sure to subscribe to BMS Tech Idea and turn on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming practical labs. And in the next video, we will go deeper into networking fundamentals. You will learn routing and VLAN commands from scratch. How to create VLANs, assign ports, configure trunk links, and enable communication between different networks. So if you want to understand how networks actually work behind the scenes, don't miss the next practical lab. Thank you for watching. And keep learning, keep growing.